Hi children, how are you dears? Hope you all fine and good. How do you feel now? Happy or sad? Happy. Very good. Me too. Very happy to speak with you dears. Okay, what we saw in last class? Do you all remember that? Yes, fine. Okay, ma'am will ask you one question now. What is the name of the first lesson? Do you all remember that? Very good. The curve of colors. Very good, dears. Okay, this curve of colors is a poem or a story, ma? Very good. Poem. The poem is about rainbow. Very good, dears. Very good. Superb. Okay, this poem is about rainbow. And how many colors are there in rainbow? 7 colors. Very good. Okay, I hope you also remember the grammar part. Okay, today we're going to see the next lesson, the web of life. The next lesson, the web of life. Okay, dears. Now, in this lesson, what we going to learn is, we're going to have a story, then we're going to learn words to describe people, places and objects, that is adjective. And third, we're going to use words in place of naming words. Okay dears, let us see one by one. First, take your studio and take page number 17. You will find a PEP activity there, right? What is the PEP activity is about? Normally in class, even in class, we will enjoy to do PEP activity, right? Very good. Hope you all going to enjoy now also. See here, PEP activity. Look at the pictures. Try these exercises. So today we are going to do exercises first. We have 2 exercises here. What you have to do now is move from your place and stand straight. Hurry up. Move from your place and stand straight. I am going to read the rules, and according to that you have to do the exercises one by one. Okay dears, first rule number 1, stretch both your arms up. Stretch both your arms up. See the picture and do how the boy is doing. The same you have to do. First, stretch your both arms up. Second, slowly bend forward and go down. Slowly bend forward and go down. Second one, try to touch your feet. Don't bend your knees. Try to touch your feet, but you should not bend your knees. Without bending your knees, you have to touch your feet. Very good. Same the boy is doing here, no? The same you have to do. Okay. Have you all completed the first one? Now it's time to do second one. Exercise number 2. Rule number 1. Take your right hand behind your head. See the picture and do how the boy is doing. The same you have to do. Take your right hand behind your head. Now second one. Try to touch your nose with your fingers. You should not take your hand before, okay? You should not take your hand front. You should do as it is. Follow the rule number 1. Continually you have to do the second exercise. Okay. Try till you can do it. You should not give up easily. I will give you 2 seconds or 1 minute. Within that you have to complete your exercise task. Try it. Try it. You should not give up. Ma'am, I cannot do, ma'am. Like that you should not think. You should not say. Try it. Very good, dears. Hope you all tried. Now turn your page. See the question there. Where the exercise is easy to do. Where the exercise is easy to do for you, dears. Where the exercise is easy. Where the exercise is easy or difficult. If easy, you have to tick S box. If difficult, you have to tick no box. Clear? Very good. See the next question. Did you give up easily or did you keep trying? What you did? Give up easily? No, very good. You keep trying. Very good. Yes, that's what ma'am also want. Very good. Okay. Now we're going to see the story. The name of the story is The King and the Spider. The King and the Spider. Keep your finger on the line. Meet Itsy Bitsy, a spider who tried very hard to do something. Who is Itsy Bitsy here? Very good. A spider. Okay. The spider is doing something. Okay, let us see what he is doing. Okay, keep your finger on the line, ma. There was a king named Robert Bruce. So there was a king named Robert Bruce. Okay, he lived in Scotland. Where he lived? In Scotland. Where we are living? In Salem, in India, in Salem district. Okay, dear. Likewise, the king was lived in Scotland. He lost his country in a war. What happened? He lost his country in a war. Because of war, he lost his country. What is meant by war? See the rose color box given there. War means a fight between two or more groups or countries. Okay, clear? There will be a fight between two groups or countries. There will be two groups or two or more groups. That is called war. So in order to save his life, what happened to the king? He ran away to save his life. From where he ran away? From his palace, from his kingdom, from his country. Very good, yes. Keep the finger. He was all alone. Now he was all alone. Nobody to support him. King Bruce reached a forest. Where he ran? To a forest. Now he reached a forest. Who will live in the forest? People will live in forest? No. Animals only will live in forest. He went inside a cave. There he find a cave. See the studio? There is a picture, right? There you can see the cave. The king went inside a cave. He was sad and hungry. Why he was sad? Because he lost his country in a war. Okay. He thought, I have no country, I have lost everything, there is no hope. Likewise, the king was thinking. Because of why he lost his country, why he lost everything, why he don't have hope. He lost his country, he lost his kingdom, he lost his palace, he lost his family, he lost his people, everything he lost because of war. Very good, dears. Are you listening? Hope you all listening. Very good. Keep your fingers on the line. King Bruce saw a spider in the cave. What he saw? He saw a spider. Where it was? It was in the cave. Very good. It was trying to spin a web. What it tried? What the spider is doing? The spider spinning the web. Very good. What is meant by spider? Very good, dear. Spider, which means an insect, and also it has 8 legs, right? Okay. So the spider was trying to spin a web. What is meant by spin? What is meant by web? Let us see. See the rose color box given there. Spin in the sense make or build. Web means a trap made by a spider to catch food. A trap made by a spider to catch food. So here it was trying to spin a web. Let us see what is happening there. There was a strong wind. Now what happened? There was a strong wind. The web tore. Why? Because of the strong wind. The spider tried again. Did the spider give up easily? No, the spider tried again. Again a strong wind blew. What happened now? Again the strong wind blew. The spider fell down. At this time what happened? The spider fell down. It got up and started spinning the web again. But the little spider did not give up easily. It got up and started spinning the web again. This happened many times. How many times it happened? This happened many times. Not one time or two times. This happened many times. Okay, now all these things are watched by a king. Very good. The king is watching everything. The king said, what the king said? Oh, little spider. Oh, little spider, you should give up. The wind is too strong for you. What the king said? Oh, little spider, you are a little spider. You should give up. You should not try again and again. You should give up because the wind is too strong for you. Like that, the king is saying. Next line, however, the spider did not give up. However, the spider, what it did not give up easily. It tried spinning the web 6 times. How many times it tried to spin the web? 6 times. Each time the wind tore the web. So each and every time the strong wind blew and the web tore. The 7th time, at the 7th time, the spider finally built its web fully. Superb, right? The 7th time the spider finally built its web fully. This time the web was strong. What happened? So at the 7th time the spider built the web fully, and this time the web was very strong. It did not tear even when a strong wind blew. King Bruce thought, what the King Bruce thought? This little spider tried so hard. So this little spider tried so hard. It is very brave. The spider was very brave. How can I give up so easily? So what King Bruce thought? So how this little spider, even the little spider tried so hard to build the web. It is very brave also. Then how can I give up so easily? So why should I give up so easily, and how can I give up so easily? So what he is thinking, I should fight back for my country. I should go back to the country, and also I should fight back for my country. Then what he told to the spider is, he told the spider, you taught me a great lesson today. Thank you. Like that, the king is thanking the spider. So from this, what you people learned, dears? What you all learned? Very good. We should not give up anything in our life. We should not give up easily. We should try until we get success. Very good. So whatever, learning, writing, or learning something else, you should not give up easily. You should try hard to get success in your life. Okay, see here, look, deep activity 2.2. What did King Bruce learn from the spider? Discuss. Tick the lines from the story that tell you this. You may choose more than one. Okay, we can do all the things. Okay, tick the lines from the story that tell you this. The spider did not give up. The spider did not give up. The sentence is correct or wrong? Correct. The spider did not give up. The little spider did not try hard. Did the spider tried hard or not? Tried hard. Very good. So this sentence is wrong. Next one, the spider is very brave. Right or wrong? Right. The spider is lazy? No, it is active. The spider showed the king that he must fight back. Yes, the king learnt a story from the spider that he should fight back for his country. Have you all completed this page, ma? Very good. Now it's time to learn new words. Okay, dears? Okay. Close your studio book and listen to the video. Should not open your studio book until I say. Okay, new words. Repeat after me. King. 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 Spider. Spider. Forest. Forest. Cave. cave, hungry, hungry. Scotland, Scotland. Country, country. War, war. Fight, fight. Hope, hope. Sad, sad. Lost, lost. Web, web. Spin, spin. Tore, tore. Strong, strong. Blue, blue. Many, many. Hope you all read, and also I hope you will get practice in your home with your brothers and sisters, or else you can get help from your parents also. But you should read all the new words. You should not give up easily, okay? You should try it hard to remember all the words, and also you should read the spelling of the words also. Okay, dears, until this till this we stop this lesson, and again we will meet tomorrow. Okay, dears, thank you so much, and be safe and good at home. Thank you, dears.